the top-selling clothing item in the world and the best country to produce your fashion brand. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we talk fashion, entrepreneurship, and global manufacturing. Today, we're diving into two big questions every designer or clothing entrepreneur should know. 1. What's the top-selling clothing article in the world? And 2. What's the best country to produce your brand? Whether you're planning to launch your first collection or scale your clothing line globally, this video will give you real insight you can use. Let's get into it. 1. The top-selling clothing article. So, the world's most sold piece of clothing might not surprise you, but the reason behind its success just might. According to recent retail data, the t-shirt continues to dominate global sales year after year. It's not just a basic, it's the foundation of modern fashion. Let's break down why it remains. Number 1. 1. Universal appeal. Everyone owns one. From luxury brands like Dior and Off-White to streetwear labels like Supreme, the t-shirt connects every style level too. Gender and age. Neutral men, women, kids, doesn't matter. T-shirts work for all demographics, making them an easy global product. 3. Affordable and customizable t-shirts are inexpensive to produce and easy to personalize with prints, embroidery, and sustainable fabrics. This makes them a favorite for both small startups and big brands. 4. Powerful marketing tool. Think about it, a t-shirt is basically a walking billboard. Brands, causes, and influencers use it to spread messages or identity. Even in 2025, t-shirt sales are booming across e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Shein. And here's something interesting. The most profitable niche inside the t-shirt market right now? Eco-friendly and purpose-driven designs. People are buying stories, not just cotton. 2. The best country to produce a fashion brand. Now, if you're serious about launching your own clothing line, where should you actually make your products? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But let's look at some of the top countries and what makes each special. Bangladesh. Affordable and high volume. Bangladesh is one of the world's largest apparel exporters. If you're a startup on a budget, this country offers low manufacturing costs, skilled labor for mass production, experience with major global retailers. However, you need to vet factories for ethical and sustainable practices. Not all are equal. Vietnam, quality and consistency. Vietnam has become a favorite for international brands like Nike and Uniqlo. They're known for reliable quality control, modern production facilities, strong export logistics. It's a great balance between affordability and professionalism. Portugal, luxury craftsmanship, and small batches. For those building premium or sustainable brands, Portugal is a top pick. You'll find eco-friendly textile innovation, ethical labor standards, smaller minimum orders. Many independent European labels produce here to ensure both quality and ethics. Italy, high fashion and heritage. If you're going for luxury, Italy remains the global gold standard. Italian factories offer unmatched craftsmanship, exclusive fabric sourcing, global prestige for your brand image. But it's the most expensive option, so it suits established or luxury brands. China, technology and speed. And of course, China still leads in speed and scalability. They have advanced automation, massive textile variety, the fastest turnaround for samples and production. If time to market and customization matter most, China's still a powerhouse. 3. Choosing what fits your brand. So how do you decide where to produce? Ask yourself, what's my price range per unit? What level of quality do I need? How important are ethics and sustainability to my brand story? Start small. Order samples from 2 or 3 manufacturers. Compare fabrics, stitching, and communication. And always request certifications if you're promoting fair labor or eco-friendly practices. So there you have it. The humble t-shirt, the world's top-selling clothing article, and the best countries to produce your fashion brand depending on your goals. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with another fashionpreneur ready to make their mark. And remember, fashion isn't just about what we wear. It's about how and where it's made. See you in the next one.